Hello and welcome to Zimstick Media. In some sad news, retired senior Zimbabwe National Army officer Brigadier General Donald Silundi Chuma has died at 71. The news was confirmed by the Zimbabwe National Army. According to Army Headquarters Public Relations Director Colonel Hlengwe Dube, Chuma passed away on 15 May 2026 at his home in Kulumani 12, Bulawayo. They said that his Chimbrenga name was Henry Silundi. Zimbabwe National Army Commander Lieutenant General Asa Walter Tafumanei said he was saddened by the death of the retired senior officer. Funeral and burial arrangements are yet to be announced. Chuma joins a growing list of Liberation War veterans who have passed on in recent years. May his soul rest in peace. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.